Join me as I dive into the challenge of testing how different climates really impact solar panel efficiency and the savings we can expect over time. In this video, you'll explore how different climates affect solar panel efficiency and the potential long-term savings they can generate for homeowners. Many people are unsure whether investing in solar panels is worth it in their specific climate, leading to misconceptions about their effectiveness. For instance, some might think that solar panels only work well in sunny California, but what about places with frequent cloud cover or extreme temperatures? A lot of folks are left wondering if solar panels can really deliver on their promised energy savings in their local climate. As a result, many homeowners are hesitant to make the switch to solar, fearing that their unique climate will hinder its performance. But is this fear justified? Do solar panels truly suffer in certain climates, and if so, are the losses significant enough to cancel out the benefits of going solar? One common misconception is that solar panels don't work well during periods of low sunlight, such as in the winter or in areas with frequent cloud cover. While it's true that energy production might dip during these times, the impact isn't as drastic as you might think. In fact, advancements in solar panel technology have made them more efficient even in low light conditions. Moreover, the overall energy savings from solar panels can still be substantial, even in climates with reduced sunlight. But what about temperature effects? Don't hot or cold temperatures impact solar panel performance as well? The science behind solar panel efficiency is actually pretty fascinating. Temperature plays a significant role, with high temperatures causing a slight decrease in efficiency, while low temperatures can actually boost performance. However, this effect is relatively minor, and the overall impact on energy production is minimal. Sunlight availability, on the other hand, has a much greater influence on energy output. But what's interesting is that weather patterns, like wind or humidity, actually have a relatively small impact on solar panel performance. When you delve deeper into the science, it becomes clear that solar panels can thrive in a wide range of climates. Sure, there might be some variations in efficiency, but the overall benefits of going solar remain substantial. For instance, while hot desert climates might reduce efficiency by a few percentage points, the increased sunlight hours during the summer months can more than make up for it. On the other hand, cloudy or cool climates might require a slightly larger solar panel system to meet energy demands, but the long-term savings can still be significant. While certain climates may reduce efficiency, solar panels can still be a worthwhile investment in terms of savings and energy production. In fact, many homeowners in cloudy or cool climates have reported significant energy savings from their solar panels, often exceeding their initial expectations. So, what does this mean for homeowners considering solar? It means that, regardless of your local climate, solar panels can still provide a substantial return on investment and contribute significantly to a more sustainable energy future. To summarize, climate does play a role in solar panel efficiency, but its impact is often exaggerated. The benefits of solar energy extend far beyond the initial installation costs, providing long-term savings and a cleaner environment. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about solar energy and renewable resources, be sure to check out my other videos as well.